Okay, welcome back to another lesson today, guys. Today again, I'm with a very awesome video that I believe you guys are going to learn a whole lot. Okay, don't worry about the background or my sound as well. Okay, I'm trying to fix things up. Okay, I just back into a new place, to a new studio, so I'm trying to fix up my place and I'm trying to make sure my sound is a bit coded, because right now I believe it's having some echoes around it. So you just bear with me, okay? Everything gonna be fixed up soon as possible, okay? All right, guys. So today I'm gonna play a song. I know many of you, I know the song is a popular song. I'm gonna play a song, then I'm gonna improvise over it. I'm gonna play some simple soloing, some simple fills, some simple licks. As I believe, as a guitarist, you should be able to, feel in when you are when you come across a worship song, when you come across songs like that. Okay, is one of the best songs that a whole lot of Christians know how to play it and know how to sing it a whole lot. So if you're watching this video right now, I just want you to go and pick up your guitar, okay? Pick up your guitar and let's play together, and make sure you learn something from this video, and also make sure you share this video to your friends that are also upcoming guitarists to also learn just like you, okay? I'm not saying I'm perfect, but the little knowledge I have, I try as much as possible to share with you guys to make sure all of us be at the same page at the end of the day. The goal is to be good. The goal is to give a good structure and a good legacy at the end of the day, okay? So, without wasting much time, I want us to go straight to the video. But before then, if you know that this is the first time you're coming across my video, please do where to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I drop a video like this that's going to help you, okay? And also, if you want to join, if you've been looking for how you can, have a one-on-one class, okay? I have a class, I have an offer for that. So if you want to join, just chat me on the number on the screen there. That's my WhatsApp number, okay? Please, when you come in, go straight to the point, and it's not a free class, it's a payable class. So we're gonna bet it's a bit considerable for anybody, no matter the country you're from, it's a bit considerable. So make sure when you're coming, you go straight to the point. This is what I want, this is what I want, and we kickstart immediately, okay? All right, let's move straight to the video, right? I'm going to show you how you can improvise. I'm going to play some improvisation. Then I just want you guys to, just see the way I'm making some fills over the song. Okay? It's going to help you a whole lot. But at first, the song is going to be in the key of, I think, B, either B or B flat. Let's check it out.
Jesus, aren't you just everything to us? You're a master, a savior, everything that we are. You are Jesus. We just want to say that we love you, God, and you're the reason that we live. We bless you, Jesus. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. Just the very
okay, so I believe many of you know the song. You are the reason I live. You are the reason I live.
You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. Help me sing, come sing.
You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You are the one for me.
You are
at this point, this is what we're going to play. Now, when the song starts up again, this is what we play. Okay, so now if you come across stuff like that, songs like that, so it's very simple. All you just have to do is just stay on the chord at first. You are the reason I live. Just the way I strum the chord, that is how you're gonna strum the chord. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. Why should I feel when I have you? Surrounded by your love, a everlasting love. You can play that. Why should I feel what people say? And they don't know words are mean to me. They don't know words are mean to me. Now, at this point, you at that early time, you are the reason I live. You're the one for me. Now, as a guitarist, that's the first thing you have to play when a song like that come up. You just strum. Keep a sustained note, which is the saw. Okay. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. A lot of you might have a good equipment, like having a fake processor and the rest. So if you have that, it's going to be more better for you. And if you have a fake processor and you don't know how to set it up, I'd like you to chat me up. I'm going to give you the guideline, but it's not free, on how to set it up to have a clean sound like this. Okay, so that's it. So when the song is going to, like, maybe if you have a song that have maybe a chorus just like this one, that why should I feel? Now you just come and make some feels there. Why should I feel? They don't. You don't need to play much. All you just have to do, make sure that those space there, those space in between the songs, just make sure that those space you have been able to, fill them, make them more harmonic, make them more live. Oh, what did I feel? Then I don't know. I think I've teach you guys this particular riffs over the worship song. So when you are encountering songs like that, you just stay on simple stuff. Stuff like that. So if you come across like that, songs like that, just have to keep it simple. Okay, just make sure you fill in those stuff there. Okay, just like that, very simple, just keep it simple. So what I played here was for many of you that didn't watch the lesson, this is C, Do, So. This is another key in the key. This is another interval in the key of B. Okay, so this is the key of B on the third string. Okay, this is the fifth string. Okay, so at first I play. This is the root, do, do. So I've teach you guys this particular licks. So if you didn't watch the licks, just get on the comment section. I'm going to give the link so you go and watch the licks, this particular licks I played, okay? So that's it. Just keep it simple. That's how a guitarist play. Worship guitarist play. And when you're strumming your swing, make sure the first note each of your chord pronounce. Make sure the first note each of your chord pronounce very well. You are the reason I live. You're the... Okay, so that's it. I don't want to make the video more longer than this. So wherever you don't understand, make sure you keep me on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.